The Crypto Whale team will explain Hedge Mode to you today, along with how to activate it. One-way mode is used by default when we begin trading, which means we may only open either long or short positions on a coin at the same time. For the same trading pair, Hedge Mode enables you to hold both a long and a short position simultaneously. It also aids in preserving the liquidation of our positions. When using the hedging mode, we can profit from both an uptrend and a downtrend as per current trend. Hedge mode is appropriate for cross-margin mode since it will use profit from one position to preserve the liquidity of the position we hold if we are hedging our position in cross-margin mode. To turn on hedge mode, first make sure you have no position open in future account. Then in futures on top right side, click on these three dots. Click on Preferences. Click on Position Mode Setting. Here select Hedge Mode. Now your hedge mode is turned on. You can trade long and short on same time. Thank you.